Can you make this authentic cow leg stew? I bet you don't know how to. Let me show you. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse. I'm a food blogger and a food influencer in Lagos, Nigeria. On today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make easy and delicious cow leg stew. These are the ingredients we're using: our salt, our seasoning cube, sliced onion, ginger and garlic powder and bay leaves, our red oil, our cooking oil, that's vegetable oil, then our fresh cow legs, and lastly our pepper ratio. This is our pepper mixture, and these are all the ingredients you need. So in the pot, we're going to boil our cow leg first. So we're going to add our washed cow legs, then our onion, bay leaves, salt, ginger and garlic powder, and seasoning cube. Then we're just going to add water because cow leg takes time before it gets cooked. So we're just going to add water and cover it between 20 to 25 minutes on the high heat. So while that is boiling, time for us to blend our pepper mixture. So this is a combination of pepper, tomato, tatashe, and shombo with onion. So we're just going to add it to our blender, add a little bit of water, and then blend it until it is very smooth. And the reason why I'm showing you this pepper mixture is because you need the four things together in order for you to achieve the perfect taste. So after 25 minutes, this is what our cow leg looks like. It is already cooked. It has gotten to the consistency that I want. So in the pot, we're just going to add our red oil, allow it to get hot a bit before you add your vegetable, that's your cooking oil. So we're just going to add our onion and allow it to saute for just some seconds before we add our pepper mix. So we're just going to mix together and then cover it and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, while it's boiling, we're just going to add some of our seasonings and spice to it. So I'm just going to mix first. Then I'm going to add my bay leaves, my ginger and garlic powder. Then I'm going to mix together again and make sure it's combined together. And then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to boil for another 8 minutes. So after 8 minutes, this is what it looks like. So definitely there is much difference. So I'm just going to add my cooked cow leg to it and then my seasoning cube. Then I'm just going to mix again and make sure it is combined. At this point, I'm just trying to make sure my cow leg is properly seated in my stew base before I cover it and allow it to boil for another 8 minutes. And after that, this is what we have. This is so perfect. If your sauce is too thick, feel free to add a little bit of water to loosen it up, but for me this is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. So I'm just going to allow it to sit while I clean the edges before I serve. And at this stage, our soup is ready. Time for us to serve. The good part is you can serve this with anything. You can serve it with your rice. You can serve it with your swallow, with your okra, your ewedu. You can make it with your beans, that's your rice and beans, whatever it is. This soup is so versatile for you to eat with any other delicacy. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.